detail to your question.
Yeah.
That Dropbox is using AWS, and how can it be a public or private? How do you classify it? The classification purely depends upon where you are when you see it. If you see as a customer of Dropbox, any person can use it. You can use it, any other person can use it, any other person can use it. So Dropbox is a public cloud service.
No,
But
from the customer point of view, it's a software as a service.
yeah, it's a software as a service.
Right.
And see, cloud, the classifications are based on two things. When you classify based on what is given as a service, then it comes under software as a service.
Right.
If you classify based on who can access that service, it comes under public cloud.
Probably. I thought his
Yeah,
question was
the basis of classification is different.
Okay.
If you classify based on what is given as a service, Dropbox comes under software as a service.
Okay.
If you classify based on who can access that service, it comes under public service, public cloud. And coming to the AWS, if Dropbox uses AWS, as a user of Dropbox, you don't care about whether today they are using AWS or tomorrow they will use Azure, whatever they can use.
Right.
So
They may
to
be
Dropbox,
they may be using public cloud or private cloud. I don't know.
yeah, we don't care about that. Since we are a customer of Dropbox, we are using a public cloud.
Yes.
And Dropbox will be essentially using a private cloud service from AWS. So from the point of view of Dropbox, they are using a private cloud which is given by AWS.
They might be using.
They might be, and they will be, obviously, because of
a big company.
Yeah, entity, it's a corporate entity and all stuff.
Right.
So there is higher probability that they will be using a private.
So from the customer point of view, I cannot say that it's a cloud.
Yeah, the classification purely depends upon
The view.
who you are, how you see it, and where you are when you see that.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Right, we are having the documents related to the whatever we are showing over here. You can find them on Cloud HYD as well as on the Cloud Converge. Whatever the sessions we are having, or you can post any document if you want. We are ready to post it over there. Right, thank you.
This is first year register.
Yeah.
Shall I repeat? Google Docs is a type of cloud computing. True or false?
Yes.
Yeah, correct. The next question for you. An internet connection is necessary for cloud computing interaction.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Actually, we are very sorry we are discouraging many people, but in the next meetup it won't happen. But assurance I will give you.
Cookies problem.
Okay? We'll look for everyone. We'll give for everyone. Okay, instead of conducting all the before whatever it is. Okay, we are very sorry. This is the last moment decision which we have taken. Okay, please bear with us. Now you can go and have the snacks. Okay, then we'll start the second session. Please visit the cafeteria over here. You can have. You can go in this way or
Just 5 minutes relaxation.
Yes.
Then again we'll start again.